योग शिक्षण प्रसारक मंडळ चापोली, संजीवनी महाविद्यालय चापोली, affiliated by स्वामी रामानंद तीर्थ मराठवाडा University, Nanded. Good morning all the student of BSc TY. Subject Zoology. Paper, name of the paper Pisciculture. Number of the paper, paper number 13A. Semester 5th. Unit number 1. Topic number 2. Unit number 2. Indigenous fishes. Biology of indigenous fishes. Presented by myself, Dr. Thorat Mandakini Manohar, Assistant Professor and HOD of Zoology Department. Yes, name of the topic is the biology of indigenous fishes. First of all, we know what is meant by the indigenous fishes. Shortly, I say that is indigenous fishes means those fishes they are found in the India. It is called indigenous fishes. Indigenous fishes are the critical component of healthy aquatic ecosystem as they form an important part of the aquatic food web and fulfill the several important ecological functions. These fish need the suitable habitat and the good quality water free of sediment and agrichemical in order to survive. So yes, let us what is meant by Indian carp, or it is also called Indian major carp, is a common name for the several species of fishes and commonly may refer to the foreign species now raised in the aquaculture in the South Asia and other Asian countries where they have been introduced. Like the different example like Katla, Sirena mrigala, Lebiorata. Katla, or it is also called Katla, is the Indian major carp. It is an economically important South Asian freshwater fish of the carp family. Sirinus, or it is also common name is the mrigal, is an Indian major carp, a ray-finned fish of the carp family native to the rivers in the India. Lebiorata, it is commonly known as rohu, is an Indian major carp, a fish of carp family found in the river in the South Asia. It is also called the cultivable fishes. Cultivable fish species may of three types generally, that is indigenous fishes, a few saltwater fishes and exotic fishes. This also firstly we see that is indigenous, or it is also called the native freshwater fishes. Also we giving the example like the Lebiorata, Katla and Sirena mrigala. A few saltwater fishes assimilated to the flesh water like the channas and mullet. And third cultivable fishes is the exotic fishes imported from the outside the country like the grass carp, silver carp, common carp, Chinese carp, Persian carp, etc. This is the different type of cultivable fishes. Generally today we learn about only the indigenous fishes. Next period we see the exotic carp fishes. The firstly we know what is the quality of major carp. Generally none of the fish species can be seed and ideal for the cultural purpose as it may not possess all the alford desirable quality. However, major carps are economically the most important fishes for the culture. Along with indigenous carp like the katla fishes, rohu, mrigala. Suitable exotic carp also introduced like the silver carp, grass carp and common carp. The major carp possesses the following qualities from the pisciculture viewpoint. First, major carps feed on the phytoplankton and zooplanktons, decaying weeds and debris and other available aquatic plants. Generally, major carps, they are used food materials which are found in the pond like the phytoplanktons and zooplanktons. Also, major carps are the resistance to relatively high temperature and turbid water. That is, their tolerance capacity is high. They can tolerate the certain oxygen variation in the water. When also the oxygen is less or more, they having the capacity for the tolerate the certain oxygen. Their growth rate is fast and may attain a reasonably large size in the short duration. They breed profusely. Fecundity is high. Fecundity rate means reproductive capacity is high. Their flesh is palatable and much nutritive. They can be handled and netted out easily. They can be transported easily from one place to another places. That is the indigenous fishes. Generally, one by one, we give the detailed idea about the indigenous carp. That is also called major or indigenous carp. Large and corpulent fishes which breed in the running water. First is the katla katla. Popular names in India: katla, bhokar, tail, tamran, tailies, bow, watches, dekran, etc. Distribution: they are found in the North India, South India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Burma, Sri Lanka. They are generally characters. There are also the external character and internal characters we see. Generally character: their body oblong, moderately compressed, head broad, eye situated on the lower half, lower leaf rather thick with the continuous transverse fold, no barbel, original dorsal fin in the advance of pelvic fins, large regular scale, scales of lateral line 40 to 43, body greyish in color, on the back, silvery on the side and beneath. Fins darkish, sometimes nearly black. Maximum length about 1800 mm. Freshwater river fish able to live in a slightly brackish water, suitable for the cultivation in cornified water. Does not breed in the ponds, span occasionally under the controlled condition in the special reservoir like called bund. Reaches sexually maturity when about 55 to 56 centimeter in length. Spanning period is upper India from June to September. In the South India, twice a year during the monsoon. Eggs deposited in the incubated shallow marginal area of rivers. Eggs are transparent, spherical, 2 to 2.2 mm in diameter, increasing 4.4 to 5.2 mm when swollen up. Embryos hatch out 10 to 18 hours after the fertilization. Adult characters are attained after about the 6 weeks. Larvae and the fry collected from the river, shipped over long distance and used for stocking ponds and tanks. Larvae and young fry feed on the unicellular algae. Fry longer than 20 mm feed cheaply on the zooplankton, preferably on the protozoans and crustaceans. Adults are surface and column feeders. Adults feeds on the decayed macrovegetation, cryptophytes, chlorophytes, basilorophytes, protozoa, rotifers, crustaceans and molluscs. Attain a length of 38 to 45 centimeter at the end of first year. Average weight is the 900 kilogram. At the end of second year, the weight is 4 to 5 kilogram. Increase in length under the favorable condition, they are about 7.5 to 10 centimeter per month. Fecundity rate is the 80 eggs per gram. Body weight when it becomes 2 years old and weight about 5 kilogram. Annual production in the fertile ponds 1100 to 2200 kilogram total yield per hectare. Widely reared in the India in the ponds and tanks in the association with the other major carp. Also in the figure we see the Katla, second is the Labiorota, third is the Sirinam regala and fourth is the Labio calvasu. So the first is the Katla, second is the Labiorota. Labiorota popular name in the India is the Rohu, Rui, Ruhu, Rohi, Rohil, Ru, Temda, Baska, Tapra, Dhakrabra and Dubra, etc. Their distribution, they are found from West Pakistan across the upper India in the Brahma, in the peninsula of India, southward to the Madras, transplanted into the most part of the India and to the Andaman and Sri Lanka. Their generally characters: body deep, dorsal profile more convex than the abdominal, snout obtuse and compressed, projecting beyond the jaws, leaves thick and fringed with a distinct inner fold. Usually only one pair of small maxillary barbels, sometimes a second rostral pair. The dorsal fin originate between the midway of snout and base of caudal fin. Lateral line scales 40 to 42, maximum length about 900 mm. The color of the body is a bluish or brownish on the back and silvery on the side and beneath, usually a red marks in the presence on the scales. It is a freshwater river fish but may live in the slightly brackish water as well. The confined water is suitable for the cultivation. It does not breed in the stagnant ponds. The fecundity of 51 to 75 centimeter long specimen 1.5 to 7.6 kg weight has been 2,25,500 to 27,94,000. The average number of eggs per gram body weight is the 1258. The fry and fingerlings are collected in the rivers and may also be transported over the long distances with the little mortality. The color of the eggs is a slight red. The spawning period extends in the North India from June to September. The eggs are deposited in the shallow, indented marginal areas of rivers, occasionally under the controlled condition in the confined waters. The fry bears 3 small spots on the caudal region. The fry bears 3 small spots on the caudal region with the gradually merge into single. The fins are marked with the vermilion red. The fry mainly feed upon unicellular algae and zooplankton organism. When it attains the 25 cm length, Labiorota starts taking increasing quantities of decayed vegetable matters including the macrophytes, which might constitute more than half the bulk of its food. These are mostly common feeders. When stocked at the rate of 1 lakh to 12 lakh 50,000 per hectare, grow to the length of 25 to 30 millimeter in the 15 days. In 1 year, these measures about 350 to 450 millimeter in length and about 675 gram in weight. To about 3 years, these attain the maximum size in the fertile ponds when reared in the association with the other carp. The production is 1,100 to 2,000 kg per hectare per year. Third is the Labio calvasu. माहिती हे काहीतरी झाले बघ चेंज कर. तिसऱ्या ॲनिमल्सचं नाव दिसणार स्क्रीनशॉटमध्ये गेले का कुठे गेले की. Third indigenous species is the Labio calvasu. Their popular name in the India: calvasu, dai, konashki, Kemunia, kalia, maheli, etc. Their distribution: they are found in the West Pakistan, Upper India, South India, East Bengal and Burma. Generally, also with the help of the figure or the diagram, see some characteristics. Their body is oblong, moderately compressed, width of head equal to its length without the snout, mouth narrow, abrous, lips thick and fringed, each with a distinct inner fold. Their special identification is the 2 pairs of barbels. Hair-like structure arises from the mouth part. 2 pairs of barbels. Origin of dorsal fin midway between snout and base of caudal fin. Lateral line scale 40 to 44. Caudal deeply forked. Color of body generally stay black. Eye red in color. Maximum length about 800 to 85 to 900 millimeter. Also they are found in the freshwater fish, suitable for the cultivation in the confined water. Able to stand in slightly brackish water. Does not breed in the pond. Occasionally in the reservoir, that is also called bund. The fry are collected from the river and shipped over the long distance. It spans in India during the monsoon from midway to July. Female weighing 500 gram of 340 milligram has 2,90,450 eggs, that is 438 eggs per gram body weight. The eggs are deposited on the flooded river margin, oval in the shape, and measure 5.3 to 6 in diameter. They are bluish in color. Non-adhesive and heavy. Embryo hatch out within the 15 to 19 hours after the fertilization. The adult features are attained after about the 1 month. The young fry up to 20 millimeter in length. Feed mainly. They are used by the food material like unicellular algae. Therefore, the food consists of about 30% phytoplankton, about 50% zooplankton like the Rotifera, Crustacea, and the rest decayed organic matter and detritus. Adult fishes feed on the organic debris from the bottom of the pond. Together with the benthic animals, plants and epiphytic phytoplankton. These are reared in the ponds and reservoirs in association with the other species. At the end of first year, these attain the length of 300 to 350 millimeter and their weight is about 450 grams. So these are the third indigenous species like the Calbasu, Labio Calbasu. Then fourth, Serena mrigala. Their popular name is also mrigala, mirka, naini, mirkati, mirka, mori, etc. Generally, they are found in the India, Madras, Assam, East Pakistan, Bangladesh and Burma. Generally, with the help of their diagram or the figure, we see that is some external and internal characters. Their body is oblong, moderately compressed. The width of the head is equal to its length behind the eyes, which head is equal to the length behind the eyes, which are located in the anterior half of the head. The barbels are short, one pair of origin of the dorsal, nearer in the smaller than the base of the caudal. Scales of moderate size. Lateral line scale is 40 to 45. Caudal fin deeply forked. Color of the body is the silvery dark grey. Along the back sometimes coppery. Pectoral, ventral and anal fins are fringed and with the black. Eye is golden, hence the local name is the naini or nain. Freshwater river fish, they are found in the freshwater. They are suitable for the cultivation in the confined water. They do not breed in the pond, but sometimes in the reservoirs when special measures are adopted. The larvae and the fry collected from the river are able to stand the transport over the long distance. These attain the sexual maturity when they are about the 1 year old. The spanning period or their reproductive period is the upper India, that is the North India, is from June to September. The eggs are about 1.5 millimeter in diameter and the agent swelling measures about 3 to 4 millimeter. Embryo hatch out in 16 to 19 hours after the fertilization. The yolk sac prolonged posteriorly. Adult females are attained after about the 24 day. Fry up to a length of about 25 millimeter. Feed preferably on the zooplankton. They are used food material like the zooplankton, chiefly on the crustaceans, rotifers. Furthermore, the planktonic algae are taken only as an emergency food material. When the food is not available, they are used by the planktonic algae. Adult fish also attain on the member of Xanthophyceae and Chlorophyceae. Diatoms and pieces of microphytes which make up together about 50% of the bulk of food. The rest consists decayed the vegetable matter, mud and dead trees. Flagellate rotifers and small crustaceans are taken incidentally only. It is a bottom feeder fish suited for the cultivation in association with the mid-water or the surface feeder. These are cultivated in the ponds. The fish attain the weight of about 340 grams and a length of about 24 centimeter after the 6 month, and the weight about 1.1 kilogram to 1.8 kilogram and a length of 45 to 61 centimeter at the end of the first year. Under the very favorable condition, fish can reach a weight of through 2.3 kilogram and length of 66 centimeter within the 1 year. Ponds containing the sufficient. These are the different indigenous fishes which are found in the India. There are the 4 we are mentioned. Other is not converted as related in the syllabus. Only we are mentioned the 4 example. Next period we see the exotic species. Goodbye the student.